Welcome back, everyone. One of the biggest football week is here. Yes, you predicted right. ये वीक अल क्लासिको है. ये वीक प्रीमियर लीग मैचेस है. Some matches are seriously title decider. Some matches are for pride. So let's deep dive and understand what's going on. Right. First, let's start with our beloved Premier League. Bhai Saab, Premier League, right? I mean, what important match a week where Manchester City is playing, a week where Arsenal is playing, Liverpool, Chelsea is playing. Lot to discuss about, right? First, मैं हमेशा ये कर रहा हूँ कि हमेशा लिवरपूल को लास्ट में डिस्कस करता हूँ, राइट? लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लिवरपूल, राइट? लिवरपूल चेल्सी, बिकॉज डिस्कशन बहुत छोटा रहने वाला है. ये दो भी वाहियात क्लब से फिलहाल कि ये लोग की फॉर्म समझ में नहीं आ रही, ये लोग के प्लेयर समझ में नहीं आ रहे, क्या चल रहा समझ में नहीं आ रहा. बट सीरियस, ये तो वन ऑफ द एवरी ईयर ड्रॉ है. ये लोग का मैच यूजुअली मोर ऑफन ड्रॉ में एंड अप होता. एंड माय प्रेडिक्शन टू गो विद, इट्स अ ड्रॉ. इट्स 1-0 ड्रॉ, 1-1 ड्रॉ फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम, राइट? दोनों भी एक गलीज गंदा सा गोल मार लेंगे और बस खामोश बैठेंगे. एक टीम दूसरी टीम को बॉल पास करेगी कि हाँ तुम खेल का अटैक करो, दूसरी टीम दूसरे लोग को पास करेगी कि हाँ तुम लोग अटैक करो. तो यही चलेगा, राइट? बट अंडरस्टैंड दिस, लिवरपूल 11 लॉसेस हुआ लास्ट मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड के मैच को इंक्लूड करे तो 11 लॉसेस, दैट इज इक्विवेलेंट. Last time we got 11 league loss was in 2014 and 15. So Arne Slot, you're chasing some records which you don't want to chase, buddy. Calm down, right? Just stick with your basic plan. Florian Wirtz is playing, Frimpong is there. Frimpong को please right back खिलाओ यार उसको. He's not a right winger, okay? Use Wirtz as right winger and Isaac is back, so use him as a number 9. I know he have less game time on him, he's coming back from an injury, but still, right? You can use him for good 1 hour and then substitute with Chiesa. Chiesa did Chiesa को chance ही नहीं देता है ये Arne Slot. But yeah, that is what. But one bright spot in Liverpool is Dominic Szoboszlai. He have 13 goal and 10 assists throughout the season. That's he is the second person who touched double figures in Liverpool after Steven Gerrard in 2013-14, right? Steven Gerrard के बाद ये दूसरा बंदा बन गया मिडफील्ड से डबल फिगर्स गोल्स और असिस्ट में आने के लिए. सो अगेन ये बंदा राइट बैक पे भी दिख रहा. he was playing right wing at one time and he is in midfield. So ये एक ही बंदा है जो पूरा सीजन में ब्राइट स्पार्क है, right? McAllister is completely ghosted. Florian Wirtz is still taking time to adjust. Isaac और एगिटी के बेचारे हॉस्पिटल से छुट्टी मिलने रही है लोग को. और हमारा डिफेंस तो बाप रे बाप, छोड़ दो, डिफेंस पे तो जाएंगे नहीं हम लोग कि क्या चल रहा. सलाह की फॉर्म up and down. Salah की तो injury है, he's not gonna play. Most probably he will be available for the last match of the Premier League. Let's hope he is there. But yeah, Chelsea, and there's another crazy stat for Chelsea in their last 6 consecutive 6 away game of Chelsea, they have always conceded first. And last match what they played and they lost, they were not able to score goal for money. कोई लोगों को ये लोग किसी को पैसे दे के गोल भी नहीं खरीद पा रहे थे. That dry मसला था ये लोग का. But yeah, they are struggling. Liverpool are struggling. This is a struggling fixture. So 1-1 draw, straightforward it is. We'll go to something more slightly exciting. So Carrick Ball, right? Carrick Ball is real. Since Carrick joined, Manchester United had earned 32 points in 14 league games. That's an incredible feat, and they are going against a very, very rigid, dog fight kind of team, Sunderland. तो वो easy नहीं छोड़ेगी. Sunderland is very, you have to play the best football to defeat them. बट मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड अच्छी चीज क्या है कि लिवरपूल को हरा के आ रही है, आर्क राइवल को. तो होपफुली दे आर कमिंग विद अ वेरी गुड कॉन्फिडेंस एंड दे आर प्लेइंग वन मैच अ वीक, राइट? So players are well rested. Martinez is coming back from his suspension, and Benjamin Sesko and Mason Mount have scored in the first time around when they played to Sunderland, right, this season. So Mason Mount and Benjamin Sesko scored, and both will be, one of them will be starting and one will be on bench. So hopefully they can repeat the feat. But yeah, in my prediction is Manchester United win 2-0. Yeah, for sure. But let's move to Man City and Brentford. Especially after that disaster 3-all draw with Everton, Manchester United, Manchester City have seriously no room for error. उनको मैच जीतना भी है और अच्छे मार्जिन से जीतना है. और कोई काला जादू कर दो या कोई बाबा को पकड़ लो कि ये कोशिश करो कि एटलीस्ट आसन तो हारेगी नहीं अपना मैच, एटलीस्ट ड्रॉ हो जाए, एटलीस्ट गोल डिफरेंस कम हो जाए, समथिंग लाइक दैट कुछ हो जाए. बट that's gonna be difficult. We're gonna talk about Arsenal and West Ham when we get there. But I feel it will be difficult because Thiago, who is the second in the highest goal scorer list from Premier League, is having 22 goals. He's in red hot form, and Brentford is the most penalty awarded team in this season in Premier League. So watch out with for penalty FC, right? But Guardiola gonna find difficulty, and the players have to play. I hope Rodri is coming back. Jordan Henderson is joining Brentford again, hopefully, with his time out recovering. Hopefully City gets a 3-point here. I'll not go and say कि इतने से जीतेगी उतने से जीतेगी, भाई बस जीतो. And the part is that City gonna play today, City gonna play on Wednesday as well. That week 31st का मैच जो रह गया था लोग का Crystal Palace के against, right? Remember, Crystal Palace is in finals. So I don't know, Oliver Glasner at that period of time will go with the strongest team to test out, because they are in final, right? Like final before final try out करने के लिए Manchester से बेहतर, Manchester City से बेहतर कौन सी टीम है? But we'll get to know when we get there, right? But yes, let's stick to what's gonna happen in 10th of May, which is Sunday. Arsenal is taking on West Ham. Context बहुत important है. Let's not fly away and say कि Arsenal ये मैच जीत जाएगी और that's it, title will be theirs. West Ham last match lost to Nottingham Forest. That made Tottenham win their match against Aston Villa, right? 2 goals के साथ जो जीती 2-1. अब मसला ये है कि if West Ham loses any point, not even draw I'm talking about, draw is also losing points. If West Ham don't come out of winning this fixture, then they are for sure headed to relegation, especially because the next on Monday Tottenham is playing and Tottenham is playing Leeds United. So boss, एक टीम को प्रीमियर लीग सिक्योर करने खेलना है, दूसरी लीग को प्रीमियर लीग में रहने के लिए खेलना है. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट अवेटेड मैच इन माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन व्हिच आई एम वेटिंग फॉर. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैच. हम कहीं ना कहीं वी नो 70-30 क्या होने वाला है सिटी के मैच में. We definitely know what gonna happen in Liverpool and Chelsea, because ये सीजन में वो फिक्सर कोई कॉन्टेक्स्ट का है नहीं, honestly speaking, right? But this West Ham and Arsenal one, I have eyes on it, especially when Bukayo Saka is firing, right? अब आर्टेटा पूरी strong team खिला सकता है, because he not gonna play till May 30, the Champions League final. So they have players rested और strong team खिला सकता है वो. So let's see what Arteta comes up. And West Ham, Nuno Espirito, he's a good manager himself, but let's see what he gonna pull out. So with that, let's move to Tottenham and Leeds, who are playing on Monday. I mean, straightforward. Leeds, Tottenham, you did great job defeating Aston Villa. You have to do the similar job. Play like a Premier League team to stay in Premier League. बिकॉज आपको रिजल्ट पता चल जाएगा वेस्ट हैम और आर्सेनल का क्या है, राइट? दो 80-20 इज इन फेवर ऑफ आर्सेनल, बट यू हैव टू डू योर वर्क. अगर आर्सेनल आप पे फेवर कर दी, मैच जीत के, और फिर आपके पास आए और आप लोग हार गए, तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं है, राइट? द पॉइंट टेबल विल रिमेन द सेम विद 1 पॉइंट डिफरेंस. वो 1 पॉइंट तो कुछ भी नहीं है प्रीमियर लीग में लास्ट 2 मैचेस में, राइट? एनीथिंग कैन हैपन, एंड वेस्ट हैम हैज स्लाइटली इजियर लास्ट 2 फिक्सचर्स. सो वॉच आउट टॉटनहम, and you have better players than West Ham right now, so they should not be an excuse not winning this fixture. ये तो excuse का तो भाई पूरा season ही दे रहा Spurs. I don't understand a team that won Europa League last year, competed in Champions League, won couple of matches convincingly against a good Champions League teams, and they are literally in the verge of getting relegated. That is ridiculous. Chelsea, you are headed the same way until unless you are fixing your ownership. ना तो मसला होने वाला है बॉस. And again there is Brighton and Wolf match and Fulham and Bournemouth match. That's one is relegation threatened team Wolf. तो Brighton को बैट करूंगा to win 2-0 at least. Fulham and Bournemouth is doing great, so I back Bournemouth to win again 3-0. So let's see what Premier League gonna deliver, because important जो है for City and Arsenal to win their respective matchups. One person drop a point, it's gonna be difficult. अब on Arteta, please मेरे भाई, अगर ये मैच में कुछ गड़बड़ हुई, which I don't think gonna happen, you're gonna win this convincingly with the similar performance what you and your boys gave in Fulham. And Fulham का जो सेम पैटर्न यूज करोगे आप. माइली लुइस केली को आप खिलाओगे मिडफील्ड में विद जुबामेंडी, राइस को मे बी रेस्ट कराओगे आप. बट लेट्स सी व्हाट गोना हैपन in this match. I'm looking forward for it. Talking about looking forward for it, right? Sunday itself we have a big El Clasico. देखो, El Clasico traditionally is one of the biggest match in when you call ईयरली फेस्ट के वैसा है फुटबॉल फैंस के लिए. कॉन्टेक्स्ट ये है कि स्पेशली व्हाट हैपेंड विद रियल मैड्रिड इन कपल ऑफ डेज विद चुआमेनी एंड वाल्वर्दे, एंड सो थिंग्स आर गोना बी हीटिंग अप, राइट? सो इफ बार्सिलोना विंस दिस मैच और इवन गोज आउट ऑफ दिस मैच विदाउट लूजिंग, जस्ट ड्रॉ भी ले लिया ना, दे विल सिक्योर अ टाइटल in the home of their home in front of the arch rivals. So bhai, izzat ka to watola hoga, seriously. And remember, persons who are gonna miss out is Freddie Valverde, Chouameni, and I'll tell you who are the injury persons that are going to be ruled out. We have Mbappe that's gonna be ruled out. We have Militao that is not playing, that has a hamstring. We have Dani Carvajal have foot injury. We have Mendy who have thigh injury. Arthur Gura have a muscle injury. Kylian Mbappe have hamstring, so he's not gonna play. And Barcelona will only missing Yamal for till end of the season. Hopefully वो ठीक होके आ जाए वर्ल्ड कप के वास्ते, because he's gonna be a very important player for Spain. And Rafinha, I'm not gonna show Rafinha gonna start, but he gonna be on bench because he is back in training. I saw a couple of pictures of him playing with teammates, but who knows? Slowly Hansi Flick integrate karna cha raha to. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting matches ahead, and I am expecting pre Mbappe जो setup में जो खेलती थी रियल मैड्रिड, राइट? बेलिंगम बीइंग दैट अराइविंग इन द बॉक्स एंड फिनिशिंग टाइप का जो ना वो रोल खिलाएंगे, बिकॉज एज अ प्रॉपर लेफ्ट विंग विनीसियस जूनियर कैन ऑपरेट, and Brahim Diaz going to play right wing most probably because हमारे क्या नाम है Rodrigo, he's injured, he's not going to play. So let's see, things going to be interesting and I'm looking forward for it. And hopefully I'm going to be watching all the matches, the important ones. Of course I can't watch all the matches, but El Clasico, Liverpool, Chelsea, Cities and Arsenal's match, of course. एंड टॉटनम एज वेल. आजकल टॉटनम के मैचेस भी काफी इंटरेस्टिंग हो गए. बट यस, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर इट एंड स्टे ट्यून गाइस. बातचीत होती है, मिलते हैं हम लोग.